Perdagangan Dalam Negeri dan Haiwan Pengguna atau KPNAGP Kelantan menyita 2,100 bungkusan makanan ringan yang menggunakan logo halal tidak sah dalam satu serbuan di sebuah premis di Jalan Danas Kelang pada Selasa.
Hasrat kerajaan untuk menjadikan Malaysia sebagai pusat halal sedunia. Di Malaysia kita mempunyai ekosistem yang menyokong halal standard yang baik ya. Jadi adalah amat penting di mana pegawai eksekutif halal ini dapat memastikan halal itu di sepanjang rantaian bekalan.
Introducing Hallema Halal Learning Lead. Hallema is a platform used for simulation of My e-Halal application from preparation to submissions of documents needed to apply for Malaysia Halal certificate. Hallema is one of the teaching aids in Halal classroom which provide comprehensive hands-on on the application of Malaysia Halal certificate. Hallema was developed using Google Sites. As you can see here, this is the interface of Google Sites. This is easy and it is free. So that's why the development of Hallema is zero cost. This is basically the content of Hallema. The first one is Halal Certificate module. So as you guys can see here, the Hallema is act as one-stop center that gathered all the required information to apply for Malaysia Halal certificate. So let's move to the thrill part. Thus, this part consists of introduction on what student needs to do as a learner or applicants of Malaysia Halal certificate. Next is documentation. In the documentation setup, the student can actually see what is the type of documentation needed to apply for halal certification. For example, the registration license and the manufacturing license. Student can get to know about the content of halal file and other related documentation for halal certifications. Instead of that, Hallema also provide informative features for the students. For examples, in this part, student can get information on Halal Directory, Smart Halal, Verify Halal to know more about halal product. Next, students are required to perform for Malaysia Halal certificate applications. From here, students will be directly conducted to My e-Halal system, in which this system was actually special for KPN students and UiTM students. So from here, students can perform real submissions of Malaysia Halal certificate. After the applications through My e-Halal website, students are required to send the supporting documents through Hallema. So from here, the student can send all their documentations. Hallema also provides virtual coaching. For example, if they have any question, they can just drop out the question inside Hallema. And the lecturer will just respond from here. In that way, it will actually enrich two-way communication between the lecturers and students. On top of that, Hallema also provides the frequently asked questions. So in that way, students are able to know on questions that mostly asked before by the student. And through this also, lecturers can respond to the questions. Next is the tutorial video. Hallema provides this feature so that students don't get confused when they try to apply for Malaysia Halal certificate. By clicking on the food and beverages according to the scheme, students will get to know on which buttons to click to apply for Halal certification.
These innovations is Sharia compliance where it does not contain any sensitive features that against our religions. And the significance of Hallema can be accessible everywhere, anywhere, and at any time can bring halal education to the next level. And last but not least, Hallema is the first teaching aid used in halal classroom. Thanks for watching.